Hello, today we are going to tell you how you can create a rainwater sensor. For this you will need a bottle in shape of funnel with cap and a divider, two pieces of needle and a battery with connector, a buzzer, glue gun and a piece of wire. First you have to make the holes in the bottle cap in opposite direction and make sure the needle should not meet. If it is hard for you to make holes from compass, you can also use gas for heating the compass so it will easily melt the plastic. Now you have to insert the pin in the holes you have created. Like this. Make sure the pins should not meet either inside or other outside. For safety, you can plug in more inside the plastic cap. Like this. Now keep the cap aside. Now you have to take your buzzer and battery and the piece of wire. Now connect the black wire of the battery to the black wire of the buzzer through the piece of wire you have taken. Now you have to connect the remaining wires to the end of needles respectively. One wire of the buzzer to the one needle and one wire of battery to the another needle. Now your circuit is ready. Now it's time to choose the place for the buzzer, cap and battery. So apply some glue and stick on the place you want. Similarly, apply the glue on battery and cap and choose the perfect place for them. Now apply some glue on the connecting points of the wire. Now use the bottle funnel to connect to bottle cap. Now it's time to check. Now pour some water and you will see that the buzzer is start begging. So here you see the property that water conducts electricity. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.